Hello everyone. In the last video we looked at how we can write CSS code in a more efficient way using internal CSS. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can write your CSS code in a whole different file and import it into your CSS, into your HTML web page. And the advantages of this is it makes your HTML file look more organized, and that CSS file can also be reused in other HTML web pages instead of having to copy paste your styles into every other web page, and it makes you to be able to just change the styles from one file and to affect every other page. Now, to get started, go into the folder you're working on and create a new file. And we're going to name this file style.css. So after creating this file, the first thing we're going to do is to link up this file to our HTML web page. So first of all, without linking, let's copy all this CSS code into this file and save. So you can go back to your browser and see how it looks. And now we don't have our CSS styling. Now, to link a CSS file to your HTML web page, we use the link attributes, the link element inside the head tag. So you can select the link or go down and you have this option link : CSS. So now this has given you a template, and whatever your CSS file name is, you can put it into this href, and ours is style.css. Now if this CSS file was inside a folder like CSS, I'll put this into this folder. Now how we can include this file into our web page is by accessing the folder CSS, then add a slash, then style.css. So let's save this, and when we go back you should see our styling now. Okay, but if you wrote this any other way, you will notice that the file would not link correctly and we will not see our styling. Okay, so for now, for simplicity, we can just have our CSS file in the same folder as our HTML file. So we can change this to just style.css because they are both in the same folder. So now we have all our styling in our file included correctly. Now, the same thing that you could do in internal CSS here, you can also do in external CSS. So whatever code you can write using the style tag, you can also write and do much more in a separate CSS file like this. Now let's create a second file. You can name this css.html and set up this. And we'll add our file and style.css. Now I can create a new paragraph here and just type in some CSS. So let's save this, and remember we styled all our paragraph tags to have the color red. Now if we go back and navigate to that page, so it's css.html. so now you can see, hey, do you know CSS is in red because we included this CSS file into this web page, and we don't have to start rewriting the styles for every different web page. So this is how you can build a standard website using one concurrent CSS style for your entire website. So that's it for this video, and in the next video we're going to be seeing how we can style individual or a group of text in our website. So for example, you want to have, let's say, these three text to have a different color from the others. So we'll be looking at how we can do that in the next video. See you then.